Hello, my name is James. I've been working on my wife's 2010 Chevy Traverse, and I people are telling me it's lifters, lifters, and lifters, and I can't. I've been going over. It has a ticking sound, tick, 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 all the way through when you're trying to run it, and then loses a little bit of power. So I took it all apart, the the head, I guess you go, the cover, and I found the back is really caked with crap, and it's really not, the ventilation is not cleared at all. It's all gooped up. I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is the back cover. That's the back cover. And then if you look really closely, there's supposed to be these little vent holes. There's the two holes, and it feeds all the way through here and comes out here, and that's the way it's supposed to work. And this was all dry. I put that spray on it to try to clean it out, and I've been working away at it using a scraper, not to take any metal off or anything. But I've been finding that crap. It's been coming off it. You can see a little bit more there, and I've been cleaning that off a little bit, but it's kind of difficult to clean it off. And if you have any ideas or suggestions, let me know. This is the gasket that was on it, and it was like really hard when I first touched it. I guess this stuff here loosened it up a little bit. But this is my my front cover. This is my front cover, and it's a lot better. I sprayed it down earlier, but it really hasn't changed. So, but this is really good compared to the other one. So this is the Traverse I was telling you about, and here's my engine. And I don't know how you tell if they're bad or not. This one here wiggles a little bit. There's about 4 of them on this side, and there's only one on this side, and that's this one right here. This one moves a little bit, but it only moves the same amount as these ones do. And I'll show you how much they move. You can see it. That's all they move. So they don't move very much. And the timing belt seems to be tight on both sides. It's not really loose. So it's not too bad. So this is where I'm at with my wife's vehicle. But like I said, I'm kind of stumped on what I should do next, because if it only wiggles a little bit, do I change it, or do I just clean it off and hope for the best? Give me your reply or comment. I'd love to hear them, because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I was just watching some YouTube videos, and I started taking things apart, taking pictures of everything that I done, so I know how to put it all back together. I can work on my boat, work on changing the starter and raw water pump and alternator and steering pump, everything exterior. But I never ever opened up an engine before, even in shop in high school. I don't think I ever done this. But I'm a fast learner, and I absorb things a little bit still. But again, if you have any suggestions or ideas on what I need to do or how I need to fix that ticking sound, and like I said, when I first took it, before I took the plate off, it seemed like it was coming from right here. So I'm kind of hoping it's not way inside. But if you have any other ideas on how to deal with this issue, let me know. Thank you.